it's Lakshmi here and welcome to Lakshmi the TV. Join my mission to help combat the issue of fast fashion, help heal the planet and people by simply using your own wardrobe. In this episode today, we're going to be talking about Lakshmi Bee projects. One of the simple ways that I believe we can all help is by simply re-wearing or restyling something that you already have. Often when we go to different events and different places, especially if you're into fashion and style, you want to wear something that no one's seen before. So another idea that you can do is simply buying vintage. There are a lot of amazing vintage stores. If you don't know where one is in your local area, just Google it and you'll get a whole list of them. In Australia, we have an amazing vintage store, Vinnie's, and we've also got Lifeline. Each item is screened, so you know you're getting something that's really good quality and also in really good condition. And the thing that I love about doing that is you also get a really awesome backstory, and I love hearing the stories behind each of the clothes. So as you can see right next to me, I have this really cute little jacket. So this is a vintage jacket that was brought to me from a friend of a friend. Because you're getting a one-off piece, often it's going to come in one size, so it might not fit you perfectly. What you want to do with clothes like this is to simply alter them. Basically, when she put it on, she loved the way the front sit, but she didn't like the way the back was. She said that the back was too poofy for her. What we're going to do is I'm going to unpick the seam here and I'm going to take out all the pleats from the back, and I'm going to make an incision here and basically cut it, make a new seam here and fold it over. That's going to take out the poofiness in the back and give it a nice straight finish at the back. Let's get started. She's also given us her shoes. So one thing I love about this really helped me just not buy too many shoes is to reuse the shoes I already have. Especially if you're into fashion and style, you might have a lot of shoes in your closet, maybe like me, and you probably haven't worn them too often, so a lot of them are in really good condition. The issue that she has with these is that it's a little too tight around her foot. So one really cool thing that I love about strappy shoes is you can actually redo these really easily. These are the shoes, and what I'm going to do is make an incision here and here, just cut the shoe, and I'm going to widen it for her. We're going to widen this bit here for her so it's more comfortable for her to wear the shoe, and I'm going to re-stitch it just in the middle here. So we'll do that too. course, I'm wearing another piece from our Lakshmi B Desert Queen collection that we did about 3 years ago. And what I love about this piece is that you can dress it up or down. It was made for the beach, but of course you can pair it with some heels and take it on a spin to the city or a nice party. Just another example of re-wearing what you already have in your own closet. Alright, so there you have it. Thank you for watching another episode of Lakshmi B TV. For more videos on how to redo some of the clothes that you might have in your own wardrobe, plus tips and tricks on how to help the planet and people and combat the issue of fast fashion, please like and subscribe. Together, we can all help combat this issue of fast fashion, help the people and planet by simply using our own wardrobes. I'll see you in the next video.